In order to fit these spacers in to keep scratching from the side, you're going to need an Allen wrench and the spacers. You're going to want to first make sure it's square. The unit is square, not tweaked a little bit. So lock it up into place, and we're going to go under and release the arms, the piston lift arms, to hold it in place. Lock it because once you take the pistons off, this will not be supported. So by using a strap, I'm going to go in, grab the pistons and unhook them from each side, make sure this is locked up. Got the strap and pull it down and unlock from the side. Do both sides. Now with the pistons unlatched on both sides, bring it up. If you release this, this will want to come down, so you need to be careful and hold it. Take the weight off of it. Remove the pins. Realize that you now have the weight of the back in your hands. Just let it down gently. We're going to get your mattress out of the way. And there's the Allen wrench, right where it should be. Perfect. Okay, so basically what we're doing is removing this pin. We're going to take the washer spacer and install it on the inside so it ends up in there when you bolt it back in. Pretty simple, but it's tight space to fit in there. So you have to do this like that. Then get it to line back up with the hole that you've got there. To relock the pistons, get somebody to help you. What you're going to do is lift this all up and lock it in the up position. Ready? And it's heavy. So it's now locked in the desk position, and I can use a strap to put the pistons back on their hooks. There we go, one side. There. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yep, it's in. There? Yep.